All right, so I had to dryer went out. The guy came out and looked at it. He said it was the motor, and it's hard to get parts for that particular Samson now by me having that joint that long. I think I had that when I first had my first bachelor pad back in my Mississippi days. But I'm finna run the old dryer to the recycling place out here and see what's what. This is my first time ever just actually taking something to a recycling scrap iron place. Instead of me just throwing it out on the street or whatever, or on the side of a road, which I would never do, I'm just saying. But yeah. But I remember on the weekend, my wife had to do some laundry, and we did, wash it, and Drew had to dry it. I thought about the old traditional clothes hanger days. Back when my grandma and my mom used to have us go out there and put the clothes on the clothes hanger, put the clothes on the clothes hanger, you know what I'm saying, by morning, and by, dark, you go back and go back and pick them back up because the sun had went down. And by that time, of course, they was dry in the old days. Or going to the laundromat. I remember the old laundromat days coming up through my Chicago teenage years. We used to have to go to that laundromat, whether snowing or what. We had to walk in that snow up to your knees and whatever, just to go to the laundromat, pushing the thing to do laundry. Boy, time has came a long way. That's why I'm grateful and blessed for what I have now and what we do nowadays, and don't take it for granted, because I remember how coming up, how things used to be versus now. So that's why I try to tell my kids and grandkids they are so blessed and got it made compared to what we was when we was coming up in life. So but yeah, I just want to make this video, but next catch me out here at the scrap metal yard. Peace. All right, I'm out here in Juro at this recycling plant, if you want to say. I got the old dryer back there, front load, after 12 years and so, 12 plus years, it done played out on me. So we're gonna do it right, dispose of the old one properly, because it's hard to get parts for it, from my understanding. By being that old from Samsung, we can't get no motor for it. I think they said it was the motor gone bad, and I had it repaired several times a couple years ago when I first moved to Texas. So I'm just gonna drop it off here and see how this goes. Hey, how you doing? They told me. How you doing? Hey, I got a dryer.
Big scale, you dump in the back.
What's that?
Big scale?
Okay, back there? Okay.
You dump in the back. Stop on the scale until they get your weight.
Appreciate it. So I'm finna, see what's what on that, drop it off here. If we get some for what we do, if don't, we don't. It's all good, just don't wanna put it in the wrong place. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but who we need to see or what. Boy, there's some big old heavy equipment tools here, boy. So dry been good to me here. Had when I first had my house and my bachelor pad. My Mississippi days. Been a lot of drying clothes with this thing. It kind of, yeah, it messed up. So yeah, just put it gonna lean. You have to lean it like that. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Who do I see about this? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
Go back to the scale and the office is inside.
Say it again.
Go back to the scale. The office is inside.
Okay, okay. Oh, I see what they do. They weigh it first. They see what your truck weighed in and deduct it. Also, let's see what the truck weighed in and then weigh after. I get 62 something. Oh, okay. I get it now. Oh, okay. You go in and then you collect your little check, whatever. I got it. I see. Shit. Okay. I might try to collect some more stuff that I don't need and see what it do. You dig? Let's see what they talking about. I'll be right back. I ain't want to record in there because of people's privacy, but got a little $12 for it. But that's cool. Shit, I was gonna just throw it on the side of the street or whatever. Let's see if our people would have picked it up. But they come. My wife found this out though, which is pretty dope because I probably would have. I've been so busy I wouldn't have had the time to even think about this. But a little $12. Hell, you can buy a little sandwich with that or whatever. But that's my first time ever doing something like this, bringing to a recycling center to this caliber, which is pretty dope. All right, let's see. Since I'm out here in Gerald, I'm going to get me a sub. Thundercloud sub, Round Rock, Texas. Let's see, open at 10:30. So, oh shoot, I don't want to wait. I gotta go home and finish some stuff up so I get ready for work tonight. But yeah, hey, I just wanted to show that recycling my old front load dryer and replacement one coming in a couple of days. Had to go to the old traditional way of doing laundry this weekend one time to dry the clothes. We had to go to a laundromat, which I'm gonna talk about in another next part here when I get back home. I gotta call my best friend right quick.
Yo.
What up, C?
What up, bro?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yo, bro. Can you hear me?
Hold on. Man, I forgot this. Hold on, C. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Oh, yes, damn Bluetooth. I forgot my Bluetooth thing. Hey, look. Hey, I'm first I'm letting you know I'm recording you right quick through my glasses, so you know what I'm saying, don't talk about nothing that incriminate us. Hey, but now look, real talk though, bro. Hey, this is my first time. This is my very first. You know, our dryer went out, man. Over my dryer I had over damn near 12 years. You know, I had my bachelor pad, my Samsung I bought, my front load over time. That bitch finally went out. That bitch went out again. So last time I got it repaired when you had first moved to Texas, I remember. But now they can't get no parts. It's hard to get parts for it, right? You know how technology is. So anyway, my wife had set up with the home warranty people because she take care of. So they gonna replace it with another one. So I bring the old one. It'll be here like next week or whatever. I bring the old one when I had time off today before I go to work. And they said we can bring it to a recycling thing. And this is my first time ever doing this shit out of all my years. I drove on the scale. I was like, how this shit work? The dude told me drive on the scale. Went to the back. They picked it up and drive back on the scale and go and pick your cash up. Alrighty, so there we have it. We had just got the replacement in today here, which is a Maytag. The Samsung ones was pretty much on back order or so we are getting a Maytag this time. I actually like it though because it's got the newer software, pretty much newer update things, a little bit more advanced to my previous Samsung because that Samsung was at least about 12 years old now. And I had my bachelor pad. But what I like about this one here as well now, you got the the Wi-Fi enable to use the to be able to use the app there. Let's see. So yeah, so there you go. You got the Maytag app where you control it Wi-Fi. Because hey, nowadays we're lazy. Technology's here. What can I say? But yeah, I just want to make this quick video, showing the When the old dryer went out on me, and then I was able to scrap metal it, take it to the scrap metal iron place, and that's my first time ever doing that. Got a little whopping $12 back for the old one. But hey, yeah, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This your boy EV Smoke ATX. We got more to come, and also, you know, it's about that time for race season to fire up, so I'm gonna get that race content out to you. You know, so stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.